This is Marcus at 2:47 in the morning. His deadline? 9 a.m. His progress? 0. But here's what you need to know. Marcus isn't lazy. He has 3 university degrees. He's run 2 marathons. He once learned Japanese in 6 months. So why can't he write a single sentence? For decades, we've been sold a lie. We call it procrastination. We call ourselves lazy, undisciplined, weak. But Dr. Neil Fiore discovered something that changes everything. Your brain sees that massive project as a threat. It triggers the same response as if you were facing a predator. Fear of failure, fear of losing your entire life to work, fear of being judged. So your brain does the only rational thing. It protects you. It makes you avoid the danger. At 3 a.m., desperate and defeated, Marcus tried something that felt completely backwards. He opened his calendar, but instead of scheduling work, he scheduled his life first. Friday, 7 p.m., dinner with friends, protected. Saturday, 10 a.m., basketball, non-negotiable. Sunday afternoon, movie marathon, locked in. Every moment of joy, every guilt-free pleasure, scheduled first. The fear disappeared, because now the work couldn't consume him. His life was already protected, already full. Then came the second trick. He stopped trying to finish. He deleted the words "final draft" from his mind. Instead, he made one simple choice. Just start. Just 30 minutes. Just rehearsal. No perfection required. No judgment allowed. Just begin. Here's what nobody tells you about starting. Once you remove the fear, once you remove the pressure to be perfect, something ancient kicks in. Not motivation, not discipline. The timer hit 0. Marcus kept working. Not because he had to, because he wanted to. By sunrise, he had finished what he'd avoided for 3 weeks. So here's what I need you to understand. You are not lazy. You're just afraid, and your brain is trying to protect you. Tomorrow morning, don't open your work first. This is how you stop being a victim of procrastination.